Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Michelle, and today I thought I would share a little bit more about this piece right over here. I purchased this one in Vancouver, Canada a couple of years ago because I needed a small, compact-sized wallet that would fit inside my Louis Vuitton favorite PM when I would attend special events like weddings. I mentioned in my recent Louis Vuitton collection, it is called the Enveloppe Carte de Visite in French, I believe, and Envelope business card holder in English. But go ahead and please correct me if I am wrong. So even though it's not new, let me go ahead and quickly unbox this for you. And ta-da! Here is the Envelope business card holder, and honestly I don't see many people have this piece, and I am not sure why. It is such a great piece, but I think it might be because it isn't listed in the women's small leather goods section, but rather in the men's. And just FYI, if you haven't browsed the men's section, they do have a lot of great pieces that I think you might consider, especially in the small leather goods section. I browsed the Louis Vuitton website prior to making this video, and I saw that the women's small leather goods section only had a similar named piece, same exact style though, pretty much, but with an engraved Louis Vuitton pressed stud right over here that said Louis Vuitton, and also in black Empreinte leather, which is absolutely beautiful, I must say. But if you want this particular piece in Monogram, you can actually only find it in the men's section. Why? I am not sure, but it's still definitely a piece a woman can use too. So a little bit more about this piece. It measures 4.13 inches by 3.15 by 0.39 inches, and it's made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather lining, with gold colored hardware that is a pressed stud closure. And honestly, my favorite part that sold me when I first saw this item was the card slot right over here and this gusseted pocket, because I love to carry more cards and some cash. So when I use this particular piece, I usually have my driver's license in here, a credit card, and also some cash. So let me go ahead and show you what that would look like. So I have these two items right over here. I'll pretend this one is my driver's license, and this one is a credit card that I'll go ahead and stick right over here inside. And lastly, some cash, and I usually just fold it up and slide that behind here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I really need when I choose to use this wallet. And so let me go ahead and show you some close-ups of this wallet. So the item number of this particular piece is M63801, and the price point currently is, as of August 2020, is $295 USD, which honestly I think is a really great price compared to all of the other small compact wallets that are around $500. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, whether you found a new option for a compact wallet or just to browse the men's section. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!